Welcome to another video. This is an emergency alert update. You have to stick around and see this entire video. Smash that like button if you are enjoying this content. It does help me out. We have a $1 AI penny stock just partnered with a $19 billion company that has over 150,000 employees. They also have the best management team out of any other small cap or penny stock in the entire market. Make sure you watch this entire video so do not miss this small cap $5 semiconductor play that is trading at the 52-week low as it is about to test this weekly support. So we could see a massive upcoming bounce for this play. A tiny $100 million market cap is a supplier to IBM, which is a $175 billion company. They have 650 patents and applications, zero debt, did $64 million in 2023 with positive $9 million in net income, sitting at this tiny $100 million market cap, one of the smallest market cap semiconductor plays in the entire stock market. So you have to stick around and see this play. Tap the notification bell so you do have notifications for these videos, which are time sensitive, exclusive, very important plays you don't want to miss. So just keep that in mind. All right, so we have this massive historic catalyst that was just announced and we haven't even seen an official PR yet. So this is a $1 penny stock, a $400 million revenue producing company that just did $80 million in revenue with historic profit, with $42 million in record net income just in the last quarter that came out after losing a ton of money each quarter. They have $145 million cash, over $700 million in total assets, sitting at this tiny $100 million market cap. This is LPSN LivePerson Inc. trading at $1.35 in after hours, closed at $1.29, just broke out of a very key resistance level at $1.30. You can see this right here, did get rejected many times, have came up and tested it many times, actually broke out of it on the 5-minute chart, I believe earlier, was watching this, but came right back down, and we just confirmed another breakout. So we are sitting at $1.36, up 5%. And after hours, next big resistance wall will be at $1.50. And then if we do break out of this 1.75 level, do have this massive gap to fill all the way from $1.75 just to around $2.40, a massive gap. And we have this massive PR that could actually get us to this level here on Mahindra.com. Tech Mahindra and LivePerson LPSN to power AI-driven customer experience and financial services. This actually just came out today. We haven't even seen an official PR from LPSN. So Tech Mahindra and LivePerson have this massive partnership. Why is this important? Because Tech Mahindra is actually a subsidiary. You can see right here is a subsidiary of the Mahindra Group, a company that, according to this, did $21 billion in revenue for 2024. Mahindra Group is a private company that has operations in over 100 countries with 260,000 employees. Did, according to another source, said $21 billion, and then another source said $6 billion in revenue their last fiscal year, but still a massive revenue producing play. Subsidiary Tech Mahindra, which is the one that had this massive partnership with LPSN, has around 140,000 employees with 55 plus delivery centers in 15 different countries. So like I said, LPSN we haven't seen any official PR yet, but you can see the news release on the website. LPSN is an AI company that basically eliminates the need for customer service or just makes it way more efficient using AI, actually saving other companies and industries a tremendous amount of money. So have a lot of different AI solutions to deal with customers and just make businesses more efficient. You can see on their website have proven that they can accomplish 30% plus in reduction in operating cost of different industries and businesses, plus a 10% increase in CSAT. Considering they can save businesses 30% in operating costs just shows that their technology is extremely high value, as well as securing this very big partnership with one of India's largest companies. This just proves that their technology is working. So looking at this partnership, it will address the unique challenges and opportunities with the financial services and HLS sectors by combining LivePerson's cutting-edge conversational platform and AI technology with Tech Mahindra's business process services extensive domain expertise. So it will provide personalized customer experiences through recommendations and ensure the security of sensitive data with high compliance standards. And this partnership will obviously boost operational efficiency by automating administrative tasks, enabling the workforce to focus on more complex issues. So that's actually very good to see. And you can see Tech Mahindra's business process services is at the forefront of future ready technology and has 55 plus delivery centers in 15 different countries that provide services in 50 plus languages to 270 plus global customers. That just kind of shows you the magnitude of this very big partnership they have going on. So that's all we have with this update. You can also, I'm not going to go too much into detail about this, but is a very significant contract, and we should see a very big PR from LPSN either, very soon at any time. It looks like I talked about their management team in my last video. I'm just going to tell you a few details in case you missed that, but they did just revamp their entire management team, bringing members from VMware, which was a $60 billion company before it got delisted. So the new CEO had a significant leadership role at VMware. The new CMO and CRO are also from VMware and had a very strong track record while at this $60 billion company. So if you actually go on their website and go to About and look at leadership and just read through some of their executive team members, you will see they're actually one of the best, or have the best management team for any small cap in the market that I have seen in a very long time. So you have to check them out and basically read through this. But looking at their financials, you can see did $400 million and lost $100 million of that in 2023. But keep in mind, the new CEO has just started since the beginning in January of 2024. And you can see it looks like he's already turned around the company, or this whole management team is turning around the company. You can see they lost $35 million in Q1 of this year, lost $40 million before that, and lost $53 million in the third quarter of 2023. And this quarter that just came out for the second quarter of 2024 had record 50% profit margins with $42 million in net income. So a huge turnaround, and they are extremely undervalued based off this alone and everything going on. So next topic we want to talk about is ticker MRAM, which is Everspin Technologies Inc., one of the smallest market cap semiconductor plays in the market, trading at $5.01. So looking at this chart right here, you can see on the weekly is completely oversold, as well as oversold on the daily. Has been in a very big downtrend, but you can see on the weekly we are testing this very big support level as we are hitting the 52-week low, and we could see a bounce from this area. But let me talk about what is going on with this play. But you can see on their balance sheet, they do have a $100 million market cap, have $36 million in cash, $64 million in total assets compared to $9 million in total liabilities. You can see have no long-term debt, zero debt on their balance sheet, an extremely nice balance sheet. And looking at their financials for Q2, they did $10.6 million in revenue, and they did lose $2.5 million the last quarter, but they were very profitable in 2023. Something is going on with their financials as of right now, but they do have some very big customers, including IBM, a $180 billion company, as well as GE Healthcare, a $40 billion company, as well as Cisco, which is a $200 billion company. So looking at their presentation right here, you can see they have a very diversified business, or a lot of their businesses that they target are in some very significant markets and a very diversified business line as they are in the enterprise business. They're a leading provider of MRAM technology and products for mission critical applications in data center, industrial IoT, automotive, and radiation hardened application, as well as many more. So 15 years in production, 15 plus years 150 million plus of their MRAM units have been shipped, 2,000 plus customers, 650 plus patents and applications, global operations and sales. And you have to see some of these customers. They have multiple $100 billion plus customers. I have to show you this. In the enterprise sector, you have IBM, which is a $200 billion company. You have Siemens right here, a very big company. All these are very well-known companies in the medical sectors. One of their customer base, or one of their clients, is GE Healthcare. This is a $40 billion company. And then you have Cisco in the network and infrastructure sector. This is a $200 billion company. And then you have Honeywell right here, which is just around a $120 billion company, is approaching this very key support and bounce area. This demand zone on the weekly could see a very big bounce, as this is also the 52-week low. But you can see volume is completely dead right now. So just doing an update here, but the downside is they were very profitable in 2003. Like I said earlier in the video, did $64 million in revenue, profited $9 million in net income, had a very nice year, profiting pretty much every quarter, and revenue has steadily been going up the last 4 years. So the last 2 quarters, looking at this, revenue has went down and margins did as well. So that's a negative concern here. Looking at their dilution, I think the outstanding share count has not really changed that much in the last few years. So that's looking good. They do have cash as well. The only concern here is this. So that's something to look at. What is going on here? I just started looking at this play today. Ticker MRAM, Everspin Technologies. That's all I have for the video. The video is getting way too long again. So let me know in the comments what you think about these plays, any other plays you're watching, and I should see you on the video tomorrow.